Hi, I'm Sam from B2B Technologies. Today I've been demoing the HDI Interactive Whiteboard. It's in every Toyota dealership nationally, in schools across regional New South Wales. 1,200 screens are in them. It's a very powerful piece of technology which can improve your business, collaborate and hold meetings. And it's in education, corporate, government, it's in every sector.
Hi, I'm Liz from Bluebird Creations. I'm here with B2B Technologies. Sam has shown us an awesome presentation of this amazing interactive whiteboard device. You've got to have a look at it. It's truly cool.
Hi, I'm Andrea from Fraternity Solutions. I tend to organise a lot of corporate events, meetings, and one of the functionalities is always having to set up multiple different interactive activities where we might need a whiteboard, a flip chart, and a TV screen to capture in the presentations. Having something like an interactive whiteboard, having it all in one without having to minimise the room space, as well as from a compliance, not having to worry about tripping over. So using the whiteboard is a great solution, and also being able to have that multiple screens all in the one allows our meetings to be run more smoothly.
Hi, Craig Morris from Leadership Creativity. Just had a look at this amazing screen here. The flexibility is incredible what it can do. You can connect applications, you can get your PC, all sorts of different feeds. And from a presenting perspective, to be able to use one of these devices in a meeting room to present to your team and bring up different sources and things, absolutely incredible flexibility. It's the best I've ever seen by far, and I've worked with a lot of these for many years, and this is the best thing I've ever seen. It's brilliant.